Hello everyone, I am going to try to make crab rangoon mozzarella sticks. I got this recipe off of social media. I got it from Jordan the Stallion's TikTok channel to be exact. He's pretty famous for taking recipes from restaurants and recreating them in his own kitchen. And he saw this somewhere, I think there was a restaurant in Florida, and I've never heard of it before, but it looks absolutely delicious. The original recipe is 2 packages of cream cheese softened, 2 cups of mozzarella, shredded cheese, 1/4 cup of chopped green onion, 0.25 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then 18 ounces of chopped imitation crab. Have all the ingredients in the mixing bowl, including the spices. I'm gonna mix it all together, and then I'm gonna press it into this 8x8 baking dish lined in parchment paper. I have it mixed, I have it pressed into my pan. Now I'm gonna stick it in the freezer for an hour so they can get nice and firm, so I can cut them into sticks after the cheese is frozen. It's been a couple hours. I'm gonna see how easy it is to cut it into like cheese stick. Okay, it's working. So I'm gonna cut them long and then I'm gonna cut it in half. All right, so now I'm going to dip it in flour and then dip it in egg and then dip it in panko. And then I'm gonna put in a tray, and then afterwards it's gonna go back into the freezer for another 15 minutes. And I have a little bit of scraps at the end. I don't know, just eat on a cracker or something. It's basically like at this point, cream cheese dip. Really, really good. All right, so I'm just gonna take a stick, roll it in the flour, roll it in the egg, and then roll it in the breading. These are panko breadcrumbs. And then stick it on. This tray is easy for me to put in the freezer. I'm gonna actually fry it in oil, but I'm just gonna put it on that tray. So you get the idea. Flour, egg, even though I halved the recipe, I still have 14 cheese sticks. They're looking pretty good. I'm gonna stick them in the freezer for 15 minutes. I don't know that I'm gonna cook all 14. I think I might cook half and then freeze the rest for another night if they turn out good. We'll see, because they're pretty thick cheese sticks. I don't know yet. I still might cook all. We'll see. I got my oil nice and hot. I got my cheese sticks out of the freezer. I got some hot and sour soup boiling, and I'm gonna see how quickly these fry. The video didn't really say, but it should only be like a minute or 2 each. Yeah, it didn't even take a minute for them to get dark. Remember, it's imitation crab, it's already cooked, so really you just want to have the inside nice and warm. Here's the hot and sour soup. I thought I had sweet and sour sauce. I did not. So Robert made me some, what's it called again?
Cocktail sauce.
Cocktail sauce. And then here are the crab rangoon cheese sticks. I did actually end up frying them all because I had the grease ready, so why not? All right, here we go. Crab rangoon cheese stick. Robert, try one.
Oh, sorry.
This is really good. Oh, who's that? Oh, here we go. A slight cheese bowl. There's mozzarella in it.
Mozzarella?
There's mozzarella and cream cheese. The cream cheese does not have a cheese bowl, but mozzarella does. Does it taste like crab rangoon?
No.
No, don't. But it tastes good. It does taste good.
Very strange.
I like it. I'd make them again. Maybe it needs more crab in it. What do you think?
About what?
The crab rangoon cheese stick.
It's interesting.
That's interesting.
I don't know what to say about it because it's like it doesn't taste like crab rangoon though.
No, it doesn't.
It tastes like something, but
It does taste good. This is just hot and sour soup. You need to try the hot and sour soup. It's just from like a package from the grocery store. My husband loves hot and sour soup at Chinese restaurants. I prefer egg drop. This one actually has egg in it. And that was my question. Does your hot and sour soup normally have egg in it?
mm-mm.
So
Maybe a little bit here or there, but not like this.
you're supposed to add 1 egg when you were cooking the hot and sour soup.
It tastes good.
Ooh. I like it.
It's hot and
Since
sour.
I don't have sweet and sour sauce for my crab rangoon, I might dip my cheese sticks into the soup. Oh yeah. For only like a $2 dried packet mix, all I had to do was add water and egg. That's pretty darn good. So, I think the only thing I would change about the crab rangoon cheese sticks, I would add more garlic powder. Like it was like half of a teaspoon of garlic powder. That wasn't enough. It needed more spice. Don't you think? It's got a good cheese bowl though.
I don't know what it's supposed to taste like.
I like it. And I'm using cocktail sauce. Homemade cocktail sauce. Because I always have horseradish in the refrigerator. You can see, I am. I really like it. But I wouldn't say it tastes like crab rangoon. It tastes like a cheese stick with crab. Okay.